Good day.
Stalk through the forest, too close to hide. I'll be upon you by the moonlight side.
Howdy. My name's Über, and I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of a eukaryotic cell. Come on. Alright, so what we got here is we got the selectively permeable plasma membrane. The plasma membrane encompasses all cells, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic, and it's a lipid bilayer with channel proteins dispersed. Now, we're going to try and get through the membrane with just passive diffusion, but might not be able to with pretty big molecules. And yeah, two big molecules, mate. We're going to have to find ourselves a channel protein to go through. Let's go. Alright, we found ourselves a channel protein, and once we go through here, we'll be a straight shot right down to the center of the cytoplasm. And let's see what organelles we can find. Oh, there's a lysosome. Its job is to get waste out of the cell. Oh, careful, you don't want to get too close though. See, if you don't have proper protection like 5' cap or poly A tail, it can break you down. Well, that certainly was a good first find, wasn't it? Alright, but I think there might just be an even better find right around the corner here.
Crikey! There's a nucleus! No, don't be frightened. It's okay. I'm just guiding a tour of the cell. I'm just here to observe.
Okay.
Why don't you give us a rundown of what your niche in this habitat would be?
Okay. The nucleus contains chromatin. It holds the genetic information surrounded by the nuclear envelope. To see it, you would need an electric microscope. The nucleus is the brain of the cell. It is the most important organelle. You'll find me in all the eukaryotes. Muscle cells do contain the most.
Hi, I'm a vacuole. I'm basically a membrane-bound, big, empty blob of space in a cell. I contain water and organic molecules including enzymes. I also contain waste products, and I maintain hydrostasis pressure / turgor within the cell.
Well, we got ourselves quite a strange sight here. It's a centrosome. If I knew anything about it, I'd tell you. The trouble is, well, we don't.
Oh, hi. I'm the centrosome, and my job is...
Let's go over here and see if we can find a more interesting organelle. Come on. We're gonna go check the endoplasmic reticulum. There's ribosomes in here, usually. Crikey, there's one now. It's a ribosome. I knew we'd find one. They're starting its protein synthesis now, looking for tRNA to help build polypeptide chains. Come on. What we have here is a mitochondria. He's the powerhouse of the cell, so it's not surprising to find him doing work like this. Now, his job is to take oxygen and break it down into ATP, which is the cell's power source. Hey, he's not going to respond to me very much. You see, he's always been different from the other organelles. Some say that he's even a prokaryote that was swallowed up by a eukaryotic cell a long while ago, just never been the same since. You gonna talk to me or what?
I'm running the electron transport chain, and I'd like to keep doing it if you wouldn't bother me.
Oh, crikey, we better give that bloke some room.
Hello. I'm found in plant cells. I conduct photosynthesis. I take in light energy and use it to make organic molecules like sugar and oxygen for the cell. I'm green because I contain chlorophyll.
Oh, here's a Golgi apparatus. These guys are responsible for synthesizing and exporting waste out of the cell. Hey, Golgi! Why don't you tell us what you're doing there?
Oh, I'm just synthesizing. Getting some work done.
Well, there we have it. Good day's journey inside Eukaryotic Cell number 13. We learned a lot, saw a lot of great organelles, and even some cameo appearances from plant cell organelles we didn't think we would see. Now, gotta keep in mind, that's a eukaryotic cell, not a prokaryotic one. If we would have been a prokaryote, we wouldn't have seen things like a nucleus or mitochondria. But that's next year's special. For now, this is Über the Organelle Hunter saying, see ya.
Start.
I'd like to keep. I can't believe I messed up. Tell me when to go.
Yeah, start.
I'm running my electron transport chain, okay? And I'd like to continue doing it. Oh, I'm sorry.